How to get a Cancer man to like you fast. 3. How to make a Cancer man like you tricks. You are here for one primary reason, I assume. This is because you want to know how to get a Cancer man to like you fast. Am I correct? Well, that is exactly what you're going to get here, so let's get into it. First, 3 things to know about the Cancer man. These men are born between June 22nd and July 23rd. They are generally charming, sensitive, and loving, though they might come off as introverted. They are a water sign and their icon or symbol is a crab. They are very protective on the outside and softer on the inside with their heart. Trick number 1. Appeal to his neat and tidy side. One easy, quick way to get the attention of the Cancer man is to simply decide to be a neat and tidy person. These men like things in order, and when they see you are a woman who is the same way, this will get him to notice you right off the bat. This can definitely help solve how to get a Cancer man to like you fast. Trick number 2. Share your love for family, especially your mom. These men generally are very family oriented and a lot of their interests and concerns are centered around their family and their well-being. So when you start sharing stories about good moments you have had with your family, this will look good on you. You can really help push this forward by asking him questions like, do you have any brothers or sisters? What were some of your favorite meals that your mom made growing up? So what family trips did you enjoy growing up? You don't want to ask all these questions at once. You want to ask a question or two every time you get some hangout time with them. You don't want to make it obvious, but find smooth ways to ask these every now and then. This will assist with how to make a Cancer man like you quick. You can simply start by saying something like, I wish I could go on that family trip again I took when I was younger. You can talk about what you liked and then ask them about trips that they might have taken with their family. You can especially share good moments you have had with your mom. These men love to know that you have a good relationship with your mom. Trick number 3. Be nurturing to them. This last one will move you closer to how to make a Cancer man like you. These men like to be protective, but at the same time, they want to be nurtured and looked after by their partner. When you can create a safe environment for them during your interactions, this will make you come off as more appealing. You can do this by being a good listener, being a faithful and loyal friend day in and day out. Avoid being flaky at all costs. Continue to go for your own personal goals and stick to your commitments. This will show that you're dependable and reliable. Don't judge them for their actions or emotional mood swings either. So now that you know this, what about getting him to not just like you, but to fall deeply in love with you? What about getting him to devote himself to your complete joy and happiness from here out? Well, wouldn't you love that? Check out the link below or in the description box to learn how to 10x your love life now.